Harper. Hey, Kate. Kate.
Harper. Harper. What you looking at? What is that? Rah.
Nom.
Hey, you're a little slow here.
Hi, Harper.
Hi. Hello.
Can you
Harper.
clap your hands?
Clap, clap, clap.
Clap.
Clap, clap, clap for swinging. No.
Not your monkey. Clap.
Harper. Clap.
Susie, what are you doing?
She won the class for swinging.
Clap, 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 Harper. Sometimes she gets her fingers stuck and
Kate's
she
got her
can't
feet.
remember how. Oh.
Kate's got the feet.
That's really cool.
Hi. She's like, I'm good. I got this.
Maybe I can even get him off
She totally can.
if I'm lucky.
I dare you, Kate.
That's my next escape.
You're like a little trapeze artist there, Kate.
She is.
Harper.
Hey.
I'm so close.
That's really cute. Oh, wow, getting close there, Kate. Okay.
You can do it, Kate.
You got it? You have it?
You got it. You got it. We're teaching you proper grammar here, babies.
Yeah. Good. And we're really close. You're so close, Kate. No, I'd say keep on with the right one.
Yeah, come on. This is going to be a long movie, Kate.
Oh, Jesus.
No one but grandmothers are going to be... Ah, there we go. Yay!